What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So some of you have probably seen the new gauge clusters that have came out for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y that basically go on top of your minimalistic screen behind the steering wheel. And these accessories add screens there so you can see how fast you're going and a bunch of different other data points when you're driving. So TopFit actually sent out one of their gauge clusters to me, and I haven't installed it yet, but in this video we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and a review of everything inside to show you exactly what you're getting when you buy the TopFit gauge cluster, or actually it's the TopFit gauge cluster screen display for the Tesla Model Y, Model 3, standard long range performance with speedometer, gear display, driving mode, OEM style, easy installation for dashboard. So welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching another video, and let's get into this unboxing. Box is definitely pretty massive. Here's my hand for some size comparison. It's basically the size of a basketball, give or take, and it kind of makes sense because the gauge cluster or gauge cluster accessory is actually pretty big in itself. So in terms of the packaging, it's pretty nice. It's gotten a little dusty because it's been sitting for a little bit, but I've already pre-opened it a little bit. Of course, there's another brand right here called Carta. So just like a lot of other accessories or Tesla accessories from China, a lot of them do a good amount of rebranding. But let's go ahead and open it up, and right away you can see the gauge cluster in its full glory, I guess. This one's a little bit different because it's two circles and it's a little bit more sportier than some other ones that I've seen that are kind of just a box layout or a big rectangle. But right off the bat, you get this gauge cluster. In terms of the quality of the sides of it, it's got a nice finish to it. Not too rough, but it definitely looks OEM like the other gray parts of the dash. There's a USB drive or a USB-C to USB port right here in the back, so you can do some updates to it. But in terms of that, it's pretty decent quality. Two big screens that are nice and shiny, that don't have too much glare. And I guess this is the port right here at the bottom with the cable where it gets all the data to display on these screens. But besides that, let's see what else it comes with. And I guess it really doesn't come with much after that. Looks like there's a cable right here that plugs into your car port so you can get some of the data from, I guess, like an OBD or something like that. And then besides that, inside this box, is there really nothing else inside? Basically it. So there's not much, which is pretty interesting. I guess I need to figure out how this installs. It looks like it clips in through some of the sides right here. So installation is probably super easy. And then there's really there's some holes right here for some bolts, but it probably clips into the back as well. So, but it looks like it doesn't come with much. And this is kind of what it looks like after it's installed. You can see it's positioned right behind the steering wheel. It gives you some data on how fast you're going, the time, the range. Even if you're in autopilot, it tells you, it gives you a warning sign right there to adjust some of the displays. So I might still go ahead and install this. I haven't decided just yet, but I probably will have some help. I probably will need some help with installing it just so I can give it a try. And then if I don't like it, I can take it off immediately as well. But just like the swivel screen accessory that I also unboxed on my channel, I'm probably gonna try and get both of these installed at the same time to see if I like either of them. And if I don't, I'm gonna remove some of them and sell it probably after. But yeah, thanks for watching this quick unboxing on this top fit speedometer gauge cluster accessory that goes behind your steering wheel. Of course, I'm going to paste links below to this exact kit so you can see it for yourself and see if it's worth purchasing for you. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Please hit that like if you enjoyed it, and comment below if you have this exact speedometer gauge cluster kit for your Tesla Model 3 or your Model Y. Love to hear you guys' thoughts. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!